Okay, so today we're gonna smoke some bacon on our Pit Boss smoker. Do it at 225. It's up to 230 right now. 225 for about 15 minutes. And then we'll raise the heat and cook it the rest of the way. We can get some of that smoke on here. So, check back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes at 225. Just gonna check it. Let's get some smoke on them. They look pretty raw. It's just bacon on a rack with a cookie sheet. Just wanted to get some of that smoke flavor in there. We'll turn it up to 350 and let it go for about another 15 minutes. And if you have any recipes or want to share any of your videos, I've got a website called ManKitchenRecipes.com. You're more than welcome to come and share. It's free. Check it out if you're looking for recipes or want to add your own. Okay, we'll be back. I'm going to crank it up to 350. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's give it a look. 350. Looking pretty good. Probably about another 10 to 15 minutes. Check back. Okay, it's been another 20 minutes on this Pit Boss 1100 Pro Series. We're right at 350 right here. And I think it might be time to take them off. Let's just give them a check. Oh, yeah. Yep, those look great. Take those off. Look at that. Let's get them out here in the sunshine so you can see them. Alright, well that's how you smoke bacon on your Pit Boss pellet smoker. Time to enjoy.